continuation from yesterday.
Why are you walking here with your shoe on?
There is the wife. Yep, she already had her breakfast. The bread which I bought yesterday. Oh. Nice are the crunchy crunch. Yep. So she will be there. Then she'll get ready in a while because she's having some pains. Then I'll be going to get my haircut and the car from Parents' Place. Yep. So, alright. Better make a move. If not, we'll be... Yeah, I'm scared I'll be late for the appointment. Puffy hair now. Soon it'll be nice again. Alright. Okay. Parked the bike and I shifted the car to go next to the bike so I can cover the bike later. Yeah, the usual, anal biker thing. Then now walking to the mall to get the puffy hair done. I'll get some lunch along the way. Then head home. Yep. By the time I'm home, the wife should be hungry and angry. Yep. So okay, let's go get a haircut. Okay. So puffy hair gone. Yep. So all nice and well now my hair. Now I'll be going to get some food, maybe 1 or 2 fruits for the wifey also. I just got the chicken rice. That will be for lunch. Later I'll buy nasi lemak from the new shop that I've been wanting to try. Over here, Crave. Yep. So I'll go get a little bit of fruits, then the rice, then head home. Okay, got the food. Now I got some oranges, some other stuff for wifey, the veggies. Then I also got the chicken rice and the nasi lemak. Yeah, so now going to cross the road and then head home. Alright, see you guys at home. I'm home, so this is what I got. Crave. Yep. Just nice. This is the packet. Oh, fork and spoon and a tissue paper. Yeah, so actually this is the meal that I got. Yep, looks yummy, oh. And of course the usual chicken rice. This is what wifey had this morning. She says it's quite nice, oh. And the kaya buns, which I had. So alright, wifey is sleeping. I will take a quick shower. Then we can have lunch.
So, tuwing hapon yun na lang ako nakikita kasi lagi na lang akong late na nagigising. Anyways, kagabi pala, ay hindi, yung last na vlog, yung night shift si Dwayne, grabe, 5 plus na ako nakatulog nun. So, yesterday, hindi kami nakapag-vlog. Si Dwayne lang ata nag-vlog siya ng konti ng gabi. Ewan ko, anong vlog niya dito. Sinabi niya lang kanina. Anyways, kakain na kami ng lunch and then, maya-maya, pupunta na rin kami sa KK for our hospital appointment. So, yeah. Our lunch will be, yung aming lunch, chicken rice, hubby's favorite. Tapos nandito yung chili niya. And this is our first time trying the Adams nasi lemak. Adams Road nasi lemak.
Anyway, there was a preview I did just now. I said, now time to open up and take a look.
There, bagong buka siya kasi dun sa Hougang.
Keep this one in use.
Microwavable.
Oh, nice idea. Oh.
Over naman, baby.
This one must keep also. Oh, then I can reuse this thing.
So, yun. Ayan, meron siyang
good, oh.
chicken, fish, egg,
potato.
what's that?
Potato.
And my favorite, dilis. Then, open for me the coconut. So, that's our lunch. And dahil topless siya, iikot natin yan. Bagong gupit ang aking baba. So, yeah. Kain tayo.
Okay, so What's the one? So we are heading out now for the appointment. A little behind the time, but we should be okay, I think. First one, when we reach there, we gotta go for a scan, then followed by the doctor's checkup. Yeah. So, all right. My hair a bit high. Okay. Right. We are here now at KK at this. Yeah.
Your camera is so yellowish.
See?
We vlog it wrong. Make it up then go look down so that's so
So all right. We'll be waiting for our queue here for the scan, followed by the doctor's check. So it's gonna take a while. 2 hours, I think. Yeah, 2-3 hours. Yeah.
But not many people there.
Yeah.
So not so bad.
Okay, so all right.
Ayun. Ay, may tao pala dito sa likod ko. Tapos na kami dun sa sa scan kanina pa. And now nandito kami sa nag-wait kami dun sa may ang tawag dun? To see the OB. So yun, bigla akong nagutom. So bumili si Dwayne ng food McDonald's. So nuggets and fries. Then yung Rabina Chill. Kasi hindi ko siya hindi ko alam na McDonald's pala yung bibili niya. Kung alam ko lang, sinabihan ko siya na ayoko na McDonald's. So ngayon, bumibili siya ng doon, yung shop na yan. Wang Cafe ata yung name dyan. Bumibili siya nung usual na kinakain ko na pau. Chicken pau. So yun, nandito kami sa labas kasi walang upuan doon sa sa loob. Ako lang yung nakaupo. Kawawa naman si Dwayne kung hindi siya upo. So, dito na lang kami sa labas. And then, maamoy din yung McDonald's. So, yun. Okay naman yung scan. Chinek yung water and placenta as usual. Then, ano pa ba? Yun lang. Ayan na siya. Panguso na naman. What's up with your mouth? Dahil yun yung pau. Wang your local cafe. Ito yung pau. Ang laki ng pau nila dito eh. So, kain tayo, merienda.
Alright, so we have seen the doctor, everything is good. And now waiting for payment. Only thing is, doctor said she's about the cervix open 2 cm already. Yep, and if she check and stretch a bit more, it'll be almost 3. Yeah, so doctor is saying anytime this week. Today's a Monday, so anytime this week. At the most next week. Yeah, so chang. On the other hand, check this out. This is a charging station. Yeah. So you go, you select your locker, then scan your ID, then you can put the phone inside. Yep, cool stuff. So you can charge the phone. They're making most of these at hospitals now. Okay, so now let's go find the wife.
Ayan, pauwi na kami. Pupunta sana kami dito sa City Square, kaso tinamad na ako. Parang gusto ko na umuwi magpahinga. Medyo masakit kasi yung yung lower belly ko na. So sabi ko kayo din, uwi na lang kami. So we'll only have problem sa dinner na naman. So let's see. I don't feel like eating. I want to eat something that is like very light taste.
Like this? Kway teow soup?
I say like this.
Light or
That one's salty.
salty?
So,
The noodles from the Hong Kong cafe, the noodles, the soup, that one.
wonton noodles.
That one? Like show off for you?
But you haven't Buy me the dessert, that one.
The dessert actually, I ate before. It's like this size, you know, so high of ice. Yeah.
Buy one. Sabi nung nung ubi pala, sabi ko kasi yung nararamdaman ko parang yung magkakaroon ka ng period. Sabi niya yun daw yun, yung contraction. So, nagko-contract na pala ako, hindi ko pa alam. So, yeah. Now, pauwi na kami. So, see you at home na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga display. Yan, ang para sa Deepa Valley. When is the Deepa Valley? 11 November.
Next week only. Eh, no, next week. Next month.
Next month, November.
Yep, yep.
So, after ng Deepa Valley, tsaka lang sila put up ng Christmas decoration sa orchard.
I think now they maybe.
Starting really.
They're already putting it up.
But they will light it up after Deepa Valley, what?
Yeah, they wait until after each festival, then they'll do the different light up.
Dito kami ngayon sa DIY Fix, I think. Tawag doon. In the end, lumabas din kami dito sa Silitar. Maglakad-lakad daw. You say you want to walk a bit. So, lakad-lakad ng konti to have a bit of exercise inside the mall. Oh yeah, this one, oh.
What? Alrighty, now we are at NTUC Finest at Seletar Mall. Now we just be walking around, get some groceries, then go find dinner, then we'll head home. We already got the bread down here. Yeah. Okay. Then, alright, let's walk around, take a look and see.
Ayan na pala yung strawberry, no.
Alright, okay. 谢谢. Alright, so we are now at our
That's Hong Kong Ching.
favorite place to eat also. The other place.
Same Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Hong Kong hot.
So wifey is enjoying her
Wonton noodle.
Mutan noodles. You tasted the soup good?
Yeah.
Then the salmon skin. And my noodles. Yep, this is wifey's favorite. Then our drinks.
Continue our journey.
How's the food? And check out the spoon, no?
Good.
A bit big, eh? So alright, let's
You're eating
eat.
the same thing, right?
Yeah, the usual things like
But yours is no sabaw.
yeah. No, mine is the signature thing. So alright, let's eat. Yan,
nandito na kami sa house. Dumaan lang kami kanina dun sa house ng sister-in-law ko para ibigay yung banana bread niya or banana cake. Yun. Tapos, now it's already 9:30. So, maliligo pa ako. Then si Baba din. And tomorrow your morning shift, right, Baba?
Yup.
So, yun. That's our day-to-day. A bit. Wala. Naubos lang yung oras namin sa hospital. But, yeah. So, now is ito na talaga yung yung waiting game. This is it already. Sabi ng doctor. Nakakatawa nga yung doctor, sabi niya, after this, you go home, eat, and pack your bag, sabi niya. So, alam na malapit na. So, going to see our little baby soon. Yeah, also pregnant.
Not this one.
This one. So, yun. Mag-good night na kami. Para maaga rin kami siyang makapagpahinga. For sure. I cannot sleep again. Me. So, yun. Good night.
Good night.